1. Start where you are. Use what you have. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the ideal conditions. Start with what you have right now, whether it's skills, resources, or opportunities. The key is to begin. 2. Progress, not perfection. Focus on making progress, not being perfect. Each small step forward brings you closer to your goal. Mistakes are a part of the journey, and they help you grow. 3. Believe in yourself. Confidence is built from believing in your abilities. Trust that you have what it takes to succeed, even when challenges arise. Your self-belief is a powerful motivator. But 4. Set clear, achievable goals. Break down big dreams into smaller, actionable goals. Clear objectives give you direction and make it easier to track progress. Celebrate each milestone along the way. Chapter 5. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Instead of fearing challenges, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Every difficulty is a chance to build resilience and discover new strengths within yourself. 6. Surround yourself with positive energy. The people around you can influence your mindset. Surround yourself with those who encourage you, believe in your potential, and uplift you. 7. Consistency over intensity. Consistency is more powerful than sporadic bursts of effort. Even small daily actions accumulate over time to create big results. Stick with your routines even when motivation wanes. Visualize your success. Take a moment each day to imagine yourself achieving your goals. Visualizing success strengthens your determination and reminds you of the reward waiting for you. Stay adaptable and learn from failure. Life doesn't always go as planned, and that's okay. Be flexible in your approach and view failure as a lesson. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and adjust. 10. Keep your vision bigger than your doubts. When self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself of your bigger vision and why you started in the first place. Keeping your end goal in mind will help you push through moments of uncertainty. These pieces of advice can help foster a mindset of perseverance, growth, and positivity. Key ingredients for success.